Ever wonder what's really in your water? Let me show you something. This could be what you're showering in. Who's thirsty? Hey, welcome to the show. I'm Ryan. Today, I'm doing a simple but powerful test to reveal what's actually floating around in everyday tap water. I'm going to do a visual demonstration called the precipitation test. It shows you the solids hiding in your water, like metals, minerals, and organic matter. These things are what cause staining, dry skin, spots on dishes, and even can contribute to hair loss. We've got three samples. First is our control, water filtered through a resin-based system. Second is Midwest tap water. And the third is a cheap plastic bottle of purified drinking water. To see what's suspended in these waters, we need to break the surface tension. We'll use a process called flocculation by adding an acid and base. The first reagent is quinolinel sulfate. The second is potassium hydroxide. When mixed, these coat the solids in the water, making them heavy so they fall out and we can see what's really inside. Let's go ahead and add the reagents to each sample and agitate. Now let's look at the results. Starting with our control, crystal clear, no visible solids, just the way your home's water should be. Now with the Midwest tap water, look at all this. See all the particles and discoloration? That's running through your plumbing, your washer, your shower, even on your skin and hair. And here's the bottle water, loaded with tiny floating bits. What you're seeing are microplastics. Plastic is petroleum-based. Would you drink gasoline? The average American consumes 30 to 60,000 pieces of microplastic per year. That's the equivalent of eating a credit card every single week. You only get as clean as your water. So get it tested and make sure your family has the cleanest water possible in your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're local to Ohio, schedule your free water test today. See you next time.